Hey guys, welcome back to VLINFOTECH. Today in this video we will see the concept of slicing in string and also some built-in methods in the string. So let's get started. This is the concept of slicing. So I'm copying all this code and I will execute this code. So copy this and open one more notepad and paste here. Now here we have taken S3 as the variable and we have assigned a Mississippi as a character. Now I equal to -1 for C in S3. Here C is the character, each character in S3. And after that we are incrementing the I value by 1 if C equal to S. Means we are checking the character C. Here C is the character, each character. So each character I am checking is that equal to S or not. And after that we have to print I. Here I is the index of that S. And we are printing S3 of 5. Here 5 is the index. So we have to print the character which is present at the index 5. So we use S3 of 5. And later this is the slicing concept we will see. Print of S of 4 colon space colon. This is the slicing concept. Here 4 is the starting value. If we don't give the ending value, it will take as the last value. Now here in the second example, here S of colon 4. So we are not giving the starting value. So it will take the starting value as 0. This is the ending value we have taken as 4. And in this 2 colon 6. 2 means here starting value, 6 is the last value. And print of colon dot colon 2 means with the this is the starting value 0, ending value to the last, and 2 means difference. We'll see this practically later. First we will see the concept. So print of S 2 8 2 colon 8 colon 3 means 2 is the starting value, this is the ending value, and this is the difference. Step, we will call this as like step. This is the difference. And print S of -1. Reverse last character. We will get last character. Index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. If we want reverse index, so this is -1, -2, -3, -3, -4 like this. This is the reverse character. This is the reverse index. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that indexing, and we have reverse indexing also -1, -2, -3 like that. This is the reverse indexing. Print S of minus length S. Here we are printing length of S. Means here we have taken Mississippi as a string. In that how many characters we have. So to get that we use length method. So length of S. And after that here -1 colon colon -2. Here -1 is the starting value and here we didn't give any value. So ending value is last value and -2 it is the difference. And S of -1 this is the starting value and ending value is last value. We didn't give any value so it will take last value and -1 and print S of -2 colon -6 colon -1. This is the first value, this is the last value, and this is the difference. And print S of colon colon 1. First value we didn't give anything so it will take as 0 and last value to the last and this is the 1. This is the difference. So we will execute this program. Take like this. Now save this program and open command prompt to execute this. So type cmd cd space desktop, enter, dictionary, enter. Now give the file name .py, enter. See, we are getting output in this. Copy this output and paste here. We will see the code and output. Copy this output and paste here. See, this is the output. Now we will see the code one by one. Now, this is one code. Here, S equal to Mississippi. We have taken a string called Mississippi and we have stored that Mississippi string in the variable S. And we have taken I equal to -1. For C in S means each character is stored in C in S. After that it is entering the loop. Then I plus equal to 1 means we are incrementing the I value by 1. And after that we are checking the character. We are checking each character equal to S or not. If that condition is true, then it will print I. So it is printing the index of I. So we are getting index of S 2, 3, 5, 6 like this. See 0, 1, 2, 3. At the place of index 2 and 3 we have S 4, 5, 6. In the place of 5 and 6 also we have S. So we got 2, 3, 5, 6. And after that we are printing S of 5 means at the index value of 5 we have to get that character. So at the index of 5 we have S character. So we are getting output as S. And after that we are seeing the concept of slicing. So print of S 4 colon means starting value 4. So index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We will get from I to this. Now we will see the output. See, we are getting from I. We will see here. Here ISSI PPI. This is the output. So from starting value 4 to ending value we are getting the output. Now we will see print S of colon 4 means starting value is 0. From 0 index to 4th index we are getting. So 0, 1, 2, 3 means 4 means last value will be excluded. If we take 4, it will print up to 3 only. Like 0, 1, 2, 3. So we are getting MISS like this. This is the output. Now print S of 2 colon 6 means starting value 0, 2, ending value 6 means we will get up to 5 only because last value will be excluded. So 2 means 0, 1, it will remove. From 2 onwards we will get the output. So 2, 3, 4, 5 till 5 only we will get the output. So that's why we are getting SSI, SSIS we are getting the output. Now we will see this. Print S colon 2 means first value 0, last value to the last. To the difference 2. So it will skip 2. See here in Mississippi we are getting MSISPI. It is skipping the middle characters like this. And 2 colon 8 colon 3. So starting value from index 2 to ending value to the index 8 means last value will be excluded to index 7 with the difference of 3. So we are getting output as SS like this. And this is the -1 index. -1 index means we are taking the string as Mississippi. So reverse indexing means -1 means I is the value at the index -1. So we are getting I as the output. Here we are printing the value at the index -1. Reverse indexing starts from -1, -2, -3 like that. So we are printing the value at the index -1. So we got I as the value at the index -1. Now S of -1 colon -2 means starting value is -1 and ending is the last value till last value and with the difference -2. So we are getting IPSI SM as the output. it is taking from the reverse order. If we take minus, it will take from the reverse or indexing. So here s of minus 1 colon minus 1 means we are getting the reverse of that character, reverse of that string. So Mississippi in the reverse order we are getting the output, you can see here. And print s of minus 2 colon minus 6 colon minus 1 means starting value from minus 2 and ending minus 6 and with the gap minus 1. So we are getting output as PPIS. Now print s of colon colon 1 means we are getting the value Mississippi. Here starting value from 0, ending value to the last with the space 1. So we are getting Mississippi as the output. In this way, we have to do slicing in the string. This is the concept of slicing. And also we have few more methods. We will see one by one. We have count method. Count of p means in that given string, it will count how many p's present in this string. So it will print the output. And Hyderabad is equal to Hyderabad. It will replace, this is the method to replace ABAD with the Nagar. So it will replace ABAD with the Nagar. So then we will get Hyder Nagar. We are replacing ABAD with Nagar. This is the replace method. And we can also replace single character also. We are replacing I with reverse I. In the place of I in the string, we will get reverse I. This is the replace method. Today in this video we have seen slicing concept and indexing, reverse indexing and count method and replace method. These are the few methods and slicing concept in string. We will see more methods in further videos. So please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I hope everyone clear with this topic, slicing and few methods in string. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will see more concepts, more depth concepts of Python in further videos. That's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep smiling.